Welcome to our lesson about working with sketch text. Let's begin by inserting a new sketch on the XY plane, New Sketch. Now let's activate the Text tool. Hold down the left mouse button. And here we've created a text box. Let's release the button. Here's the Format Text window. Let's type some text in the window. We've got the option to insert a model or user parameters. Since we don't have any user parameters, we're going to use model parameters. Let's select from the list of available parameters and click Add. Now let's highlight it. Make it bold. Let's make the size a little bit bigger. We can also zoom in and out using these arrows. These icons here let us justify left, center, and right respectively. Next to that, we can justify top, middle, and bottom vertically. The last three options we'll look at in just a second. If the text is too long, we can force it to go to a single line. We can also insert a number of symbols if needed. Here we change the color. Here we change the font. Let's stick with Tahoma. And let's click OK. At this point, we need to right-click and select Done. Now the text is justified top and left. Let's right-click in our text box and select Edit Text. The Format Text window appears. Let's justify it middle and center it and click OK. And let's finish our sketch. Go to the Extrude command. I'll select the text. Let's extrude it 0.1 inches and click OK. And this concludes our lesson about sketch text.